Hi, I'm Pranjali Garg. I'm the co-founder of Promi. Experience has been really great in terms of the team really being involved in the business and really helping us out with, the daily challenges that we have, and also in terms of us figuring it out as to what's the bigger goal for us. At a current stage, we have been part of multiple accelerators, but what is missing most of the times is the personal touch and really being involved in decision making as well. And Aishwarya was really kind to help us out in terms of understanding like very key insights which people generally don't give to you because they're not very open about it. So I think those were few key insights that we got from the team overall. In terms of the program and in terms of the boot camp that we had offline, I think that was really interesting because we could actually interact with the entire community and the entire cohort. So I think that was the best part because it makes us feel a little less lonely in the journey. So I think that was a really good part. And also getting to know founders who are on the same journey and getting to know how exactly they are executing is something that really gives you a perspective and you take a step back to really understand what you can do better and learn from everybody else around you. So I think that has been really good. The community that Rebalance has is something which would be really helpful for us even going forward, because a lot of times, even when you're trying to raise funds or just in terms of the growth perspective as well, you need a lot of feedback and a lot of insights or maybe opinions on certain things that you are trying to do, and it's much better to get it from a founder themselves. I think the team has been really kind and they have been really hospitable, taking care of us throughout the boot camp and feeding us and making sure that we are well rested and we're actually on top of things. Also, the one-on-one connects have been really helpful because you don't get the right connects, or maybe even though you might be connecting with a VC firm, but I think connecting to the right folks in those firms is also very, very essential. So I think the Rebalance team was actually able to whip up a really good list of one-to-one connects. So I think that really helped me get a lot of perspective on and feedback on my current business GTM strategies. But I think what I would really take back with me after the bootcamp are two sessions. I think one was with Dhruv and one was with the first session that we had with Ashish, and a lot of perspective about how as startup founders we really need to choose the right VC. It's not always the other way around. First, very, very exciting because it was really nice to meet everybody in person and get to know each other and really build a community. Really informative and insightful because we got a lot of good insights from VCs themselves, and I think from the team also getting to know more about how we should think about the entire fundraise strategy and even the GTM, and getting to know founders' journey firsthand. So I think really insightful. It was like a really warm and affectionate energy all around. So I think that.